Pisces. Let's see. Wow, the Lovers. Okay, so reciprocity, communication, understanding is that question here. What questions are being asked? What needs to be communicated? What needs to be understood, right? What needs to be felt? What needs to be shared, right? Are you detached from your feelings, or are you in high consideration of your feelings? You know? Also, this talks about your habits, right? Taking a look at your habits and being, taking a sharp eye to the habits that you have in your relationships with people, right? You could be being overly critical of your lovers, or a lover could be being overly critical of you, right? Is it for good reason? Because the sixth house does talk about reasoning to be very analytical, to put things in order. Maybe someone's putting some things in order, right? The sixth house is ruled by Mercury, and Mercury is neither here nor there, right? So this is talking about fluctuation in a relationship, perhaps, or fluctuation with something that you may have committed yourself to regularly, right? Because this talks about habits, but then it also talks about the rhythm, right? It talks about rhythms. And we're in Libra season right now too, right? And Pisces, Mercury is, debilitated in your sign, right? So as we're trying to look at the reciprocity here, we're trying to understand how we can improve a relationship with ourselves and our understanding of who we are to other people, or we are trying to come to a better understanding as to how to allow ourselves to be seen by other people, right? Because you have to understand that what you allow yourself to be, that you are, right? Or whatever you allow into your regular rhythm, that thing becomes implemented, right? Because this is talking about how can we implement something. So it's the implementation of something in your daily life that might be affecting you psychologically, or it might be getting in the way of the psychological process that you share, the lovers, with other people that are around you. Okay. Let go of control issues. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. And Mercury does have to do with information, right? What are the control issues here, Pisces, right? Because it's almost kind of like with Mercury being debilitated in your sign, it's like you're not seeing where the process needs to take place for whatever it is to be dealt with. You know what I mean? It's like you can kind of just like stay attached to whatever it might be, you know what I mean, and be very critical of that thing that you're attached to, and because you have a need to make it be what it is that you want it to be, right? And just this too, right? You're adding to it, adding to it. Okay. But let go of control issues, Pisces. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. And you might be worried because Mercury worries a lot, right? So those are the control issues getting the best of your mind, right? Of your head, getting in your head. Okay, let me check the time. Yeah. You just have to have a better understanding of where, it might your sense of control might be getting the best of you in more ways than one. Because the lovers, Mercury, is more ways than one. Okay. Thank you guys. Like, share, and subscribe.